Alo, đồng kim tắc mò cái thằng nào hiện ngay. Easy no channel pan in hong mo kek in. Tu ni isin ding a hi le. O te isin ding hi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Easy Noah. Today in this video, you're gonna learn the sound of E in Zhongmi language. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, these are the words that we can pronounce in Zogam, and they are Jere, but they are not the real sounds of Zomi. There might be words, but we may pronounce it in our own sound, so I don't add them. So let's practice. I'm gonna read first and you listen carefully and then you repeat after me. Is that okay? Okay, so I'm gonna read. Please listen carefully. So the first word, E, we pronounce E as E, E, E. So let's continue reading. E, E, B, E, B, B, E, B, D, E, D, D, E, D, G, E, G, H, E, He, H, E, He, G, E, G, G, E, G, L, E, Le, L, E, Le, L, E, Le, M, E, Me, M, E, Me, N, E, Ne, N, E, Ne, or N, E, Ne, N, E, Ne, B, E, Be, B, E, Be, S, E, Se, S, E, Se, D, E, De, D, E, De, V, E, Ve, V, E, Ve, Z, E, Z, Z, E, Z. So I'm gonna read again. E, Be, De, Ge, He, Ge, Le, Me, Ne, Be, Se, De, Ve, Ze. Pause the video and practice for a moment. So if you can pronounce the words, let's learn the meaning of the words. So the first word, be, be means beans. It can be different types of beans. The next, de, is it means switch on the light, but we can use with every light. It is only for flashlight. So when somebody is holding the flashlight, if you want him to switch on the light, you can say me hong deo, me hong deo, me hong deo. Okay, we use de. And the next, he, it means yes, that's right, or that's true. The next, elile is and. For example, you and me, nang le ke. And but there is word le. They are le and le. They have the same pronunciation but different spelling. Le is and le is if. Any ne means it. But sometimes this can be used to tell the liquids. What I mean is that we in English we say we drink alcohol, but in Zomi language, some elder people say zudon. Sorry, zune, which means they drink alcohol. But if we translate it directly, it means they eat alcohol. But ne is mostly used for like snacks, rice, meat, not the liquid, not the drinks. But the elder people use ne with zu. And there is the other way of using it, especially in Tahan where I lived. Uh, we 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 say ne to is ne is mostly at the end of the questions. For example, uh, nang lama cha ne, did you dance right? Nang tua mo na pai ma cha ne. We use ne, but in some places, some people will use mate. Nang pai ma cha mate instead of using ne. Okay, and the next is ti te. Ti te is mostly used with plural nouns. For example, mi hình te humans, gan hình te animals, van te things. Okay, and the next is as is se. As is se can be used in 4 different ways. First one is used in question sentences, and the second one is it can be used in sarcastic way, and the third is used to express the feeling of surprises, and the last is also used in affirmative sentences. So this can be used in 4 different ways. The next, vive. Vive is mostly used in imperative sentences. For example, va pai về, go, will you go? Just go, you know. So yeah, and the next is the last one, that is there. That is there is the feeling that you get, the feeling that you get when somebody tickles you. Okay, that is there, you know, you feel there. And the other way of using is that is there means crazy in Tây Giang dialect, not Tedim. So when Tây Giang people speaks in their own dialects, Zaleti, it means you are very crazy. But in Tedim language, we would say Hai Loate. So now you know the meaning of the words, and I think it's time to practice with the sentences. We will read sentences and I will also explain the meaning of the sentences. Okay, let's start. So the first one, an anehi. An anehi. Listen carefully how I pronounce each word. An anehi, which means he or she eats rice. He or she eats rice. So when we say an anehi, there's no subject in this sentence. So we can guess who is eating. And the next, James in sa anehi. James in sa anehi. If I pronounce James in my own dialect, it will be like James. James in sa anehi. So that means James eats meat. James is meat. Okay, that meat can be pork, chicken, beef, you know. So sa is not specific. It's just the general word like meat. The next, nalon te kiang họ mo, nắng nalon te kiang họ mo. Number 3, nắng nalon te kiang họ mo, which means, did you come over to your friend's house? Hey, yes, I did. Okay, and the next, na khut me hong lak ji. Na khut me, this is khut me, and I think in English, it is pinky finger or little finger, right? So, na khut me hong lak ji means show me your little finger or pinky finger. The next, Nhang túy là mẫu hong tỏi yo. Nhang túy là mẫu hong tỏi yo. You can see le, which means and. It's combined together. Nhang túy là mẫu hong tỏi yo. Bring tea and snacks. Mẫu can be cake, bread, you know, and snacks. The next, la lel ve. La lel ve. just take it လာလvề just take it and the next không phải lỡ về không không phải lỡ về which means just come and the next có chỉ lịch không sẽ kéo dễ sai có chỉ lịch không sẽ kéo dễ sai don't tickle me I feel you know dễ đi you know the word dễ so yeah and the next bay xe ra ô bay xe ra ô can you see xe bay xe ra ô in here it means don't go if you don't go it's okay so don't go and the next he said more this question that you can see say in this question which means is that so really you don't believe what happened so you put the words say he said more and the next is by vevening I will go no matter what by vevening veve emphasis that you will go whatever what happens and the next anema chane so in this sentence you can see two ne and so the first ne is it and the second ne is for the questions so anema chane means did you have did you eat rice so when we say anema this can and the person may ask about the lunch and dinner but in this sentence it's not specific so I say rice okay anema chane did you eat rice okay so these are the sentences that we practice for the words and I hope you understand and if you have any questions don't forget to comment and also I believe that this video would be helpful and I hope you learned something and so let's call it a day I hope you have a good day bye for now bye and thank you for watching